Ever heard of Beam Wallet and wondered if it's worth the hype? Or maybe you're curious about the costs involved. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Beam Wallet and answering the burning question, how much does it actually cost to activate this privacy-focused cryptocurrency wallet? Beam Wallet is a unique cryptocurrency wallet that prioritizes user privacy. It's built on the Beam blockchain, known for its advanced privacy features like confidential transactions. But with enhanced privacy often comes a perception of complexity or hidden costs. Let's clear the air and explore the activation process step by step. The good news? Activating Beam Wallet itself is generally free. You don't pay a fee to download the wallet application from official sources. The initial setup and basic usage are designed to be accessible to most users without any upfront costs. However, there are a few key factors to consider. Transaction fees. When you send or receive Beam, you'll encounter transaction fees. These fees are paid to miners who process and validate your transactions on the Beam blockchain. The exact fee amount can vary depending on network congestion and the complexity of the transaction. Generally, Beam transaction fees are relatively low compared to some other cryptocurrencies. Storage costs. If you plan to store a significant amount of Beam, you might consider the cost of secure storage options. While the Beam wallet itself is free, you might choose to invest in hardware wallets for enhanced security, which can have an upfront cost. Important note: always download the official Beam Wallet app from trusted sources to avoid scams and potential security risks. Be mindful of potential scams and phishing attempts. Stay informed about the latest Beam updates and security advisories through official channels. Now, you might be wondering, is Beam Wallet really worth it? Well, that depends on your priorities. If privacy is paramount, Beam Wallet offers a strong value proposition with its confidential transactions. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to transact, Beam's generally low transaction fees can be appealing. However, if simplicity is your top concern, you might find Beam Wallet slightly more complex to navigate than some other, more user-friendly wallets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cryptocurrency content.